Our next company and next customer provides actual thrill rides and more for their guests. So let's hear more about it from Six Flags.
Six Flags stands for Happy Kids and Unlimited Family Fun. North America's largest amusement resort operator, Six Flags, has it all. From white-knuckle roller coasters and splashy water parks to comfy resort rooms, delicious restaurants, and beloved Looney Tunes characters. There's a good chance you have a Six Flags somewhere near you. The company operates 27 amusement parks, 15 water parks, and 9 resort properties across the US, Mexico, and Canada. Please welcome to the stage Tastepe.
Hi. Thank you, Ty.
Thank you.
Great to have you here. You know, in the spirit of the ecosystem, as I said, we like to be customers of our customers as well. So sneakers, hotels. I have to tell you, I'm a little squeamish on some of these things, and I'm trying to figure out how best to be your customer. But then I saw the lazy river, and I thought maybe I'm all set. I wasn't.
That's your kind of.
I wasn't aware.
That's your kind of ride.
I think I'll be just fine.
We got to get you a season pass so you can experience all of our parks.
All right. Well, I think that sounds great. I'll certainly take the family. So Six Flags Entertainment is really a new company through the recent merger of Six Flags and Cedar Fair, where you had served as the Chief Technology Officer. You're 3 months into the new company. What are some of the top challenges you're facing and also the top opportunities that excite you in integrating these two organizations?
Yeah, first, thank you for having me, Mike. It's a pleasure to be here, and congratulations to you and your Oracle team. Great conference. We learned a lot in the last couple of days. We are really at an exciting time for us, just 2+ months into our journey. As I think about our challenges, I see them as also our opportunities, if you will. You know, I look at them as 3 different categories. One, our team members. Obviously, we really need to focus on our team members, bringing the teams together, making sure they have the right roles moving forward. The technology stack obviously is a major focus area, especially for me. I feel like I have a Noah's Ark. I've got at least 2 of each. So we've got to figure out how to consolidate and rationalize the portfolio. And then the most important thing perhaps is the experiences we provide to our guests and our associates. So both companies historically have done great things in the last few years. We both had accelerated our journey. So we have a lot to offer. Now the question for us is how do we bring those things together so that we create a compelling experience for our guests?
And you know, in your prior role too, you've been very familiar with Oracle solutions, particularly a longtime customer and partner in food and beverage systems at Cedar Fair. So now with the merger, I imagine that ecosystem has gotten much bigger with back office systems like finance, HR, customer-facing applications. Can you talk about what extended that footprint, and in particular the partnership that we've had for you and how it impacts your strategic direction?
Yeah, we really value our partnership with Oracle. Not only with the product suite that you provide, we also really like engaging with the Oracle people. All of you folks, really good customer reps we engage with. Like you mentioned, we've got a selection of portfolio products that we leverage Oracle, ERP, back of house, especially in our finance area. We've got resorts, so we use Opera as our property management system. In our parks, point of sale, Simphony deployed widely. As we are in this transition merger phase, we're also looking at other capabilities that we may not have had major investments in, whether they are in the HCM space, the inventory management, retail planning, all of that we haven't perhaps invested at the right level. Now this presents us an opportunity that we should probably look more into those areas.
That's great. And we've talked quite a bit about delighting customers, and obviously for you, it's not just it's a core mission. It's part of your core DNA because people are coming to your organization every day expecting to have fun. I mean, your stock ticker is fun, FUN. So how are all the initiatives and the tech that you just spoke of? How is that aligning to really help create lasting memories for your customers?
Yeah, our purpose is to make people happy. So that's the premise we start from. The goal really is to create immersive experiences for our guests and their families that they enjoy so that they can create lifelong memories. Now, I would say a key component of this is our team members. We obviously focus a lot on our team members, train them, we provide the right tools, we invest in the technologies that they use. We try to make sure that the experience our guests have are as frictionless as possible so that they really can enjoy their time in our parks.
And how about looking ahead a bit? I mean, I know we had a couple exploratory discussions, but where do you see the role of AI? Anything happening in other industries? Anything happening internally that you think might further impact that guest experience based upon AI?
Yeah, AI is really permeating all our lives, and we've spent quite a bit of time last couple of days here learning a lot about AI, how our partners, especially Oracle, is leveraging AI in their tools. We are doing things that leverage AI, the guest engagement online, things like chatbots, the smart monitoring of our operations. That phrase I've heard several times during the last couple of days, smart monitoring. We look at not only the theme park industry, but we look at the entire ecosystem. Every company is looking for ways to leverage AI better. We obviously are consumers of technology, so we are looking at how we can leverage the tools that you provide to enhance our guest experience, really drive our business forward.
Well, that's really terrific, and thank you so much for sharing all of that. It's just really amazing how much work goes in behind the scenes to making sure that people who show up to have fun are actually having fun. And it's been a great partnership with you at your previous organization, now as part of Six Flags, and we look forward to many more years to come of partnership. Thank you so much, Ty.
Thank you, Mike.
Thank you.